welcome to another video here on my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is Sheree Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. So you guys already know what this video is about. It is literally just an unboxing video. I do have most of the products on my face. So here's the box right here. I will try my best to find out what the weight of this box was. If I do find out, I will put it down in the description box or somewhere on the screen. You open it up and of course it has the theme right here. Well, this is not a theme on the front of it right now on this one. It's actually in the inside. This one opens up. So as you can see, the theme is After Dark. And I have variation 6. Is that right? Yeah, 6. So I have variation 6. Also down here is something for someone to win something. A whole subscription for BoxyCharm for a whole year. It's pretty much BoxyCharm and Facetune. And I've actually seen it puts the makeup palettes on your face in Facetune. But yeah, and on the back of it is explaining all the details. So we have the value of the regular BoxyCharm box going up to $125. We also have that price of that box in general going up $4 more. So now it will be $25. And we also will be able to customize our box much better and for sure pick out one product every month. You can also have add-ons, and you can also do Boxy pop-up every quarter now. So those are the things they're talking about for BoxyCharm 2.0. We also have a premium BoxyCharm that starts next month. I actually am on the waiting list, but I don't think I'm going to join this month. Maybe next month I'll do it. And then probably, if I can, cancel the regular $25, well, soon to be $25 box and do the $35 box for up to like 2 more products, full-size products in the box. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see what I got. So the very first thing I do see in my box when I did open it the first time was this Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. And it is in the shade Cotton Candy. And as you can tell, it's still wrapped up. I'm not going to open this or swatch this, unfortunately, guys. I'm sorry. Because I know I don't need any more highlighters. So this one will be going in a giveaway. It does seem like it's a really nice eyeshadow. Highlighter. It does seem like it's going to be a really nice highlighter. I love the color. It looks like a rose gold kind of color. And I've heard of this brand, Steve Laurent, so it's probably like a good brand. So this will be getting put to side for a giveaway. But this highlighter retails for $26. So this is a bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water-resistant, and fun-to-use highlighter. You can use your favorite brush or simply dab it on with your fingers and have it effortlessly glow. So this is what it explains about this. Again, the retail value is $26. The next product in the box is the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This balm retails for $32. I am actually wearing it under my makeup, but just like one of my new YouTuber friends, JackieNaturals, she did go in with the No Problem Primer by Touch in Sol as well, and I do have this one. So I did go on top of this one with this one. But this is the packaging that is like really gorgeous, and I love how it looks. So when you open it up, I'm going to show a close-up of that, but it smells good. It did feel good on. It feels really greasy after a little bit after you put it on, though. But I do love the way it smells. It did feel really smooth going on. I looked at really oily, and I just want to be on a safe side. And as you can see, I'm fine. I do not put any shining or glowing products right here. because I have large pores, okay, and I don't need no highlighting, no sparkly blushes, no nothing shiny right here. So I avoid this area like big time. I'll put, you know, I apply this actually everywhere but right here. I avoided that because I didn't want to highlight or shine and highlight my pores right there. So that is this product. Again, this retails for $32. I like it. I'm going to continue to use it. So moving on to the next product. So I also received a lip liner. This is how it looks. It is from the brand Jante Blue. No, I'm sorry, I'm bad at this. Anyways, it's a lip liner pencil. It's in the shade 935 Dark Natural, and that's the shade. So as you can see, it has not been touched. I'm not planning on using this. I'm gonna also put this in a giveaway. So yeah, that lip pencil retails for $5. Yeah, that's $5. I could have brought that myself, but anyways, yeah. So it can be worn alone or used for a flawless lip contouring or as a long-lasting base for any lip color. That's what it says. So for whoever is really into lip pencils, you may love that if you do win that from my giveaway. Next product we have in the box is the Iconic London Lip Gloss. This is a lip plumping lip gloss, as if I need to plump my lips anymore. Like, no girl. I wish they would have just asked people, like, everyone on this earth that likes makeup don't all want to have huge lips. Or not, you know, not everyone needs their lips plumped. I mean, why didn't they just ask? Do you like lip plumping products, like, you know, or something like that before they sent this in almost every single person's box. But anywho, like, yeah, I was feeling some type of way when I received this in my box, but I was like, you know what, they don't know I have big lips, but I feel like they should have asked everyone. Anyways, I'm done with my rant now. So this lip gloss retails for $26. Again, it's a lip plumping lip gloss. I did go ahead and open this and use this. I did put it on my lips, but guys, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna be 100 with you. I put this right on top. It's not this shiny. This is not this shiny. It's this that made it this shiny. But yeah, it's okay. The only reason why I opened it was because I watched so many unboxings, and like 90% of the unboxings I watched, people were saying that this did not plump their lips. So that's the only way I opened it. Otherwise, this would have been in the giveaway as well. And a lot of people said it was very, very sheer, because I really don't like lip glosses this light. If it shows up this light on my lip, no. But everyone was saying this is sheer. As you can tell, you don't see this color on my lips. It is sheer, and it did not plump a lot of people's lips at all. Like, I want to even go as far as saying 99% of the people said this did not plump their lips. So, I mean, which is bad for this product if the purpose was to really plump the lips. But anyway, again, the retail value is $26. I will use this up. It's just a sheer gloss. It does have like a little minty feel. It feels good. It's fine. Now, when I wear this by itself, it did get tacky on me. Like, people were saying it didn't get tacky, and then half of the people were saying it did. I'm one of those people, it got tacky on my lips, like sticky tacky, by itself. But I have this on, and I do honestly have this on as well by Stella from my BoxyLuxe. So I have those two on as well. So I don't think my lip's gonna get tacky at all. It looks perfect, feel fine, it's not tacky at all. So guys, we are on the last product in this box, and I know it's probably what you guys all been waiting for. I am wearing it on my eyes, so can you guess what palette I got? I wasn't too excited about getting this palette, but yes, so I got the Marvelous Mauves Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. And so these are the shades that are on the back. These were the 3 things that they told me I was getting in my box before I received my box. And I was really sad. 1, I have oily combination skin, so I was like, I don't know about this. 2, I love bright colors, and this is what they sent me, colors like that. And 3, I have big lips. I don't need my lips plump. So I was just really disappointed at first. And then I get the box and I see these 2 things that I'm actually gonna give away. So it's like, this was not a good box for me. The first box I've ever gotten that I really didn't like that at all. But this eyeshadow palette kind of makes up for it. So I do have this on. There it is again. So I do have this, have all the shades on actually, all the shades. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do have it like on my lower lid down here and above on the top. So I did my best to try to blend it out and do something. I feel like it came out okay. I like colors like blue, green, stuff like that. I would have even been probably a little happier with the bronze or the browns palette or something like that. But I took one look at these colors and I was like, why? This is so boring. But my look came out okay. I can't complain. We'll just see. If they continue to give me boxes like this, I will no longer be with them. And I've been with them for a while. So we will see how they do from here on out. But guys, this was my unboxing. Oh, and the retail value for the Dose of Colors palette is $32. So I would maybe consider purchasing one of the colorful ones if there's like a special or a deal or something like that, or a discount we get, or if I find a sale on it. I would go as to purchasing, because I do love the eyeshadow. They blend really great, but there was fallout coming out of the palette. So yeah, anyways, we're done with this video. I'm just rambling on here and there. I apologize, but I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this look I created, mostly from the products in my BoxyCharm box this month of October. I did my best. I tried to keep a positive little attitude. Like, I'm just gonna try to make a look out of it, even though I felt like it was like, no. But yeah, so I do enjoy this look. And if you guys enjoyed this video or found it kind of helpful in any way, then please make sure you like this video so I know. And don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed to me. If you're not subscribed to me, you may want to consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you be notified every time I post a new video. And you guys have a wonderful day or night. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.